Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Sanaa from So Crafty Sanaa, and I am back with another video. You guys, I am going to be stuffing my cash envelopes and sinking funds for my paycheck ending Friday, for my paycheck July 19th, which was a Friday. Okay, so I'm a little behind in videos, you guys, but you're going to see these videos popping out, but it is what it is. Nothing changed. So welcome to the scene, baby. You already see it is the ZIPPY Luxe wallet in Pebble Black. She is beautiful. Yes, she is. Y'all know how I feel about the ZIPPY Luxe. She is a friend of mine, okay? But yes, she is definitely a friend of mine. Okay, so everyone, let's get started so I can stuff this $740, as you can see, from my expense cash out strip. So I'm gonna throw that to the side. So first thing I'm gonna do, wait a minute, let me get my red pen. Oops. So the first thing I'm going to do is go through my wallet and write down any money I have left over. So it says I have $28 left in Me Money. So I think I'm going to leave that in Me Money. Dine Out has nothing. Card Maintenance has $5 left over. So I'm going to pull that out. And I am just going to minus that 5 and make it 0. Okay. Gas is a sinking fund. I keep a balance in here. So it says I have $55 left in gas. But that's going to stay in the envelope. Anything that I pull out and I'm going to move to a different envelope, I'm just going to put an asterisk next to it to let me know. The asterisk means buffer, let's say. Groceries, I had nothing left. Household, I do have money left. So let's see. Household is 20, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53. So I think I'm going to keep 20 and take out $33. So I'm going to minus 33 and leave 20 in there, okay? So I am just going to write down that I am rolling over 33, okay? And I'm leaving 20 in to go towards what I'm putting this week. Giving is a sinking fund as well. Giving, I have $33 in giving, but that money will remain because that is, that's a sinking fund. All right, so let's stuff my wallet, you guys. This week, I'm going to be putting $490 in my wallet. And the reason why it's so much is because my grocery budget is a little higher this week, so we'll get to that. So I am going to be giving myself $60 for the week for spending on top of what I already have in Me Money. So I have $28. So I'm going to have 50, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88. So that is going to be $88. And I added 60, and that was deposit there. Okay, so I have $88 in Me Money. So that's my personal spending money to spend on whatever I want. Dining out, I lowered my dining out bill this week. My dining out bill this week, I'm only giving us $40. Trying to cut back, but my son has his own money and he door dashes every freaking day. So I'm not, you know, it is what it is. I can't do anything. So I'm adding $40 to dining out for the week, and this should be good. I figure if we plan that right, depending, if I get a salad, oh my gosh, I had a salad from Snap Custom Pizza. It was really good, so I'll try that again. Car maintenance is going to get $10, and that is just a $10 bill, and this is just for either the car wash or tips at the car wash. I'm thinking about canceling my monthly car wash service. I pay $45 a month. But I haven't been going. So there is a self car wash that I go through not far from my home that I can just drive the car through myself. It's totally automated there. Nobody works there, and it's only $10, and it gives me the same outcome. So if I do that every 2 weeks, maybe $20, still saving $25 a month. So I'm just looking for ways to cut back. Gas is going to be $40. So gas is a sinking fund. I already have a couple bucks in gas. So I'm just going to add $40 more. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95. And I like to have at least enough for 2 fill-ups in here because you just never know. Like, just always want to have gas money. You never know when I'm going to have to pick up and go, honey. Grab my passport, my other fake IDs, all that stuff. It's like, no, I'm joking. All right, groceries. This is the kicker. I'm giving myself $300 for groceries this week because I think we went a little crazy in the market. You know, I don't know what the heck happened, but I just anticipate we're going to spend more this week. But I have been cooking. So household is going to get $30. Now, I already have 20 in there. I'm going to give an additional 30, and that should suffice. Not sure if I'm going to need it, but like I said in my last video, y'all, toilet tissue has went up so much. So, and you don't get a lot in there. So I'm going to try to go like Costco's and see if I can really like get the bang for my buck. Giving is going to get $10, which is 2 5s. So, and I need to just, I haven't been really out. I haven't been feeling too well, but we'll get around to this. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43. So $43. So plus 10, and that's 43 in giving. And it's for whatever, tips, whatever, you name it. Buffer doesn't get anything. So let's see. I have 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. So I have $38. I'll decide what I'm going to do. I'm not going to put that in buffer because I don't want to overspend in my wallet. I have enough money in my wallet to get me through. So let's deal with that. Next is selfie. So I do have a hair appointment coming up, and I do need to get the money in there that I need. Let me get my... So I am giving selfie $75, which is a 50, a 20, and a 5. Okay. Now let's see what we already have in selfie. So 50, 20, and 5. So I have, maybe I didn't need to put that much. All right, 50, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 190, 195, 196. So I currently have 196 in selfie, and I put 75. Okay, I put too much, but that's okay because it'll always spend, so I'm not going to worry about it. But I budgeted wrong for that. I thought I only had $70 in here already, but I had 121. Okay, so luxury. Luxury is where I'm going to put, what is this? So I have 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. So I'm going to add this $38. Now I'm going to turn the name of this envelope to shopping. I'm going to take it away from luxury and turn it to shopping. I think that's a more suitable category name, envelope name, because it is shopping. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have $104 in luxury. So I am going to try to be patient and let my shopping envelope grow. Doesn't have to be luxury, but I'm just going to change it to shopping as soon as I could print another pink label. All right, is there anything else in here? Dry clean, rollovers. Rollovers eventually, I'm going to just repurpose some of my cash envelopes because I got funds sitting in envelopes I'm probably never going to use. So I'm just going to repurpose that money. But as long as it's sitting here, it's saving. And yes, for the people who, why isn't that not in an interest-bearing account? Because we try to not deal in interest in the Islamic, by Islamic law. So that's that. Okay, so home maintenance. Home maintenance is going to get $15. And slowly but surely, I want to build this envelope back up. I want to get all my envelopes built back up. 20, 40, 60, stop. 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70. So I have $70. And I added 15 in home maintenance. So that worked well. Let's see. Okay. House cash, I'm not going to give anything to, but household is going to get $10. And household is just a sinking fund where I can actually build up more money, so I don't have to carry it around in my wallet. So I'm adding 10, and that's $40, as you can see. 20, 30, 40 in my household sinking fund. And this is for anything house related. Appliances, light bulbs, you name it. No, wait. I put that in house clean? Oh, no, that's wrong. Let me take that out. That went into the wrong envelope. Sorry. I'm glad I noticed that. So that's house clean. That's for my cleaning service, which I need to bring her in here because I need some help. So household, let's see. Okay, $30 in household plus 10, and that's 30. And listen, a house cleaning service can be a necessity for some people, especially for your mental health, child. When you can't get it all done, it just weighs on you. So I do that for myself to help me manage. So $15 is going into car maintenance. And I need to build this back up. Okay. Uh-oh. Wait, did I do that right? So I have a $1,000 placeholder to represent money I took out of here to go in the bank. 100, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 290, 300, 5, 10, 11, 12. So 312. So we have $1,312, and I just added what? 15. So I'm going to try to get this to be at least, I want to say $2,500. My car is in excellent condition. I do have, it's under full warranty. I have tire and wheel protection. So I only have to do maintenances like car, brakes. But I just went to the car dealer. My brakes have more than half its life. So that the way I drive, they said that could get me through another year, 2 years without needing brakes. So I've had the car for 3 years and I haven't put brakes on it. I've had the car literally for 3 years in coming January 2025, and I've not had to put brake pads on it. So yeah, that just, goes to show. Medical is going to get $10. And this is just to have some cash on hand for odds and ends for anything, any co-pays, anything, Band-Aids, alcohol, anything I got to buy. Even though I have an HSA, I like to have cash on hand. Let's see, gifts. Okay, saving. Okay, so that is it for that. So next up is, let's see, why I put gifts. So I didn't do it, but I did gifts. I didn't do fun money. I didn't put anything for tech, giveaways, gifts. I need to start building up for gifts because I'm planning on, my daughter's having a baby. So I set a budget of $500 for the baby. So I want to start putting that money in my gifts envelope because I do plan to, buy some things for the baby. So I did set a budget for that of $500. The baby's not due till September. So I have from now until then to save as much as I can. I might save more, might save less, but if I do save less, then I'll still pull the money from my checking account. But I want to budget for it. I want to be responsible with my spending. Intentional spending is a thing for me now. And so, yeah, that's what it is. Now, travel, I have decided not to go on my trip. So I have $210 in travel. So I'll figure out what to do with that later. Okay. All righty. Next up, Jenna is going to get $15. Start building her back up for her next appointment. So we have 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33. So I have $33 in Jenna. And I added 15. And what else do I have in this envelope? I feel like I have something else in here. Debt. Oh, car insurance. Okay, $40. I got to put lawn care. I forgot. Did I not budget overall for lawn care? Oh, my goodness. Okay, so car insurance is going to get $40. I need to get my car insurance to be like $850. I am far behind, so I have to start dumping money here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 290, 295, $305. So not bad. I have 305, and I added 40. Okay. Okay, so that is it for car insurance. Okay, so I have put $490 into my wallet for my variable spending. I put $190 in my sinking funds, and now I am going to do my monthly savings challenge for July. Now, I am very disappointed in the fact that I don't think I'm going to meet my July's goal. Every star is $30. So that would be $750 that I need to save in July. Now, July isn't over, you guys. I may still can do it, but so far I have not, you know, so I'm going to do 2 more stars. And that is another $60 that I'm going to add to my July savings challenge. So we'll see what else I can do. I'm just going to throw that in there. And I put $60 in my savings challenges. And I put $190 into my sinking funds and $490 into my wallet for my variable spending, you guys. Everything I sell, oh, I didn't do my $10 a week. I did not do my $10 a week challenge, and I really, really, really need to do that. I really need to do it. Okay, I'll get through that another day. So nonetheless, you guys, all of my items are available on my website. Everything is linked down below in the description box, from my payday budget book to my savings challenges to my cash binders and all of my Zippy wallet collections, you guys. Head over to So Crafty Tonight. Check us out. If you like this video, please let me know by liking. If you want to see more of my videos, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button. Let's get your girl videos front and center to the masses. Please, please, please. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please stay tuned for my next video. Bye.